What if I told you? The biggest career threat in current corporate world is not recession, not layoffs, not competition, but artificial intelligence. And the scary part? It's not just factory workers or repetitive jobs anymore. AI is now entering offices, corporate cabins, meeting rooms, and even replacing highly educated white-collar professionals. The future of work is changing faster than most people realize. So in this video, let's understand which jobs are at risk, why companies are rapidly adopting AI, which skills will survive, and how you can stay relevant in the AI era. Because this is no longer science fiction. This is already happening. Welcome to Skills or Learning Development, where we help you grow smarter, stronger, and future-ready in your career and life. If you want to stay ahead in the AI era, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's begin. The AI revolution has started. For years, people believed AI would mostly affect factory jobs, manual labor, repetitive physical work. But today, AI is targeting something very different. Knowledge work, tasks that office employees do every day. Things like writing emails, making presentations, analyzing reports, coding, customer support, creating content, managing spreadsheets, documentation, scheduling, research work. AI tools can now complete many of these tasks in seconds. And companies are noticing this very quickly. Why? Because AI helps businesses reduce costs, increase productivity, work faster, automate repetitive tasks, and scale operations without increasing workforce. This is why AI adoption is exploding globally. Which jobs could be impacted? Now let's be realistic. AI may not completely eliminate all jobs overnight, but many roles could shrink significantly, especially jobs focused mainly on repetitive digital tasks, predictable workflows, information processing. Some examples include data entry roles, basic customer support, junior content writing, repetitive coding tasks, scheduling and coordination, basic accounting operations, report generation, telecalling, documentation, heavy roles. Even industries like banking, HR, marketing, media, legal services, education are rapidly integrating AI. And this transformation is just getting started. The biggest mistake people are making, the biggest mistake many professionals make today is saying, AI can never replace humans. But that's the wrong question. The real question is, can AI replace people who refuse to adapt? History has already shown this during the Industrial Revolution, Computer Revolution, Internet Revolution, Smartphone Revolution. Every technological shift replaced some jobs, but also created new opportunities. The same will happen with AI. The problem is, many people are waiting too long to prepare. What skills will survive the AI era? Now here comes the most important part. The future does not belong only to AI. It belongs to humans who know how to use AI effectively. The most valuable professionals in coming years will have critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, communication skills, problem-solving ability, adaptability. AI literacy. Because AI can generate answers, but humans still create trust, vision, strategy, innovation, relationships. That human advantage still matters. And it will matter even more in the future. How to stay safe or relevant? So what should you do now? Here are 5 important steps. 1. Learn AI tools. Start exploring tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, AI automation tools, productivity AI tools. 2. Upgrade continuously. The learning mindset is now more important than degrees alone. 3. Focus on high-value skills. Communication, leadership, creativity, and strategic thinking cannot be easily automated. 4. Become AI assisted, not AI resistant. Use AI to improve your productivity. 5. Build your personal brand. People trust visible experts. Create content. Share knowledge. Stay active online. Final message: the future of work is changing fast. Some people will fear AI. Some will ignore it. But smart professionals will learn it before the market forces them to. Remember this carefully: AI may not replace all humans. But humans using AI may replace humans who don't. The choice is yours. Adapt, or become outdated. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to thumbs up ka chinha, like this video. Speech balloon, comment your thoughts below. Loudspeaker, share it with professionals and students. Bell, subscribe to Skills or Learning Development for more career growth and future ready learning content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.